ApeCoin has been making massive moves, guys. Ranked number 33, currently priced at $7.27, up almost 12%, guys. This is an updated video, guys, from my last one I just made a few days ago. So let's get right into it, guys. So if you guys want to get in this, it's on Binance, KuCoin, Coinbase Exchange, should be global, Guide.io, FTX. Let's see, Bybit, Kraken. So pretty much almost all the platforms. It is in the top 100, ranked number 33. So it's going to be on basically every platform. They have the typical social medias, guys. ApeCoin.com. If you want to read more about the white paper, all the stuff about the crypto, and if you want to check for news, it has just go to Twitter page, guys. It has 371,000 followers. You can read some of the tweets, people's experience when using this crypto. Now let's get to that price prediction, guys.
Eat, sleep, trade, repeat.
So my last video, guys, I just made on May 27th. I said that this crypto should be going down and hitting and doing a double bottom down here and then taking off, and that would possibly be the best entry for a buy limit or a buy stop to get into this cryptocurrency if you're trading it or if you're doing cash positions. So what ended up happening is that exact thing, guys. Let me move into the right over here. So if you look at this crypto on the daily, this crypto went down, and if you got into a buy limit on here, or you just got up market, this crypto has been moving a lot, and I think that we're going to be heading up to higher highs. Now my price prediction, guys, is at this high right here. Let me get my box out. Let's see who's on the line. I think that the target for this if it keeps on this bullish run is going to be $13, and basically the size. So we say $13 flat. So with this is how I will be approaching this, since I it hit my entries already in for this trade. Let's see, do arrow. Now if it ends up doing something similar to this at the current price right here, and usually when it hits like some resistance level, guys, it ends up selling off a little bit. If it does do a retracement, I always will enter again on the retracement, and if it hits up to here, that will be my current target. So my goal is to have 2 entries, guys. So my first entry is already locked, is already in, and once it goes up higher and hits this target profit, my first target profit would be up here. What I'm going to do is lock in that trade by moving my stop loss above my entry. So if it heads up higher and then goes up to the $13 mark, I'll close that position, or not entirely close it, but close a portion of that position. Once the trade is locked in, then I'll let this trade run, guys. But basically that's the premise and how I'm going to approach this trade. Hopefully it does this, hits $13, hits the target profit, and if that's done, it's going to be a really good long run trade. And hopefully other cryptocurrencies do the good reversal. Kind of like Bitcoin's up, all cryptocurrencies up. But tell me how I did in this video. Just give me some likes, comments about what's happening. We can have the discussion. But let's get to my website. Here's AndreJMcClendon.com. You can learn more about cryptocurrencies, indicators, some economy and stocks. Check out the website, guys. But that's it. Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you.